Hello friends, let's see in this video how to use idle and in interactive mode as well as scripting mode. Now I'll first load the idle. Now I'm using Python 3.8.x. So it is the interactive shell which is started. Now it is 3.8.3. Now if I write here print and say, now see here, the moment I write print, I get all the options, that is value, separator, and file, standard in, standard out. So it tells me something what I'm supposed to enter. If I'm doing mistake, I can verify from here. That's why it is called as interactive. Same way if I write input and just, so it says prompt equal to none. Now what should be the different options, and it also says read a string from standard input. Fine. So this is how my print function works, input function works. So it gives me interaction. Now see, if as soon as I type min, it is giving me what can be the argument to the min function. Fine. So that's why it is called as interactive shell. So same way if I write POW, see, it is giving me equivalent to this, whatever it is. So it says power function is equivalent to base into XP with raised to 2 argument and so on. So it tells me what I am supposed to do. That's why we call it as interactive shell mode. Now I'll go to file and I'll say new. The moment I say new, it will load the editor. Now for working together and to avoid the time between the switching, I am dividing the screen in 2 parts. You can see. So I am dividing the screen in 2 parts. Now what are the 2 parts? In one screen I have shell and in another screen I have the editor. Fine, which is also called a script mode. I can write the script of Python over here. So I have divided. Now if I want to change this font, what I should do, I should go to options, I should go to configure IDE, and I can select the font here and I can select the size of the font. So I'm making it 20 now. I'll say apply. Okay, so the font has changed. So from where I'll change the font, go to option and go to configure idle. Now just I'll write a simple program, that is to print hello world. So here I'll write program hello world. Here I'll write print. Before that I'll write str equal to input, enter your name equal to, and then here I'll write print. Now see, along with print it is giving me all the different options. That's so this is also interactive. I'll write here str, I'll write here hello, I'll write name, it's not name, it's str, comma, I'll write welcome. So instead of hello world, I'll say hello message. This seems better. Now see what is the output over here. Now the moment I've typed it, if I want to run this code, I'll go to run and say run module. But always remember, I have to save the program first, and after saving the program only I can execute. If you forget to save, your editor will never forget. So say enter and I'll say hello message. This is my program. I've pressed enter. Now see, the moment I press run, it comes here, and if I write here Manoj, it is telling hello Manoj, welcome. Fine. So I can press F5. You can see here run mode is by F5. So I'm pressing F5. Again it is asking. I'll say Dahane sir. So it is telling hello Dahane sir, welcome. So in this way I can use the shell as well as the editor. So in editor, I'll type the program. Now let's say I'll take one of the program which is already stored. So here I'll search for the program which is stored. You have to first realign it. So I've taken the program to calculate simple interest. Now here there is principal amount. I've read the principal amount, converted into integer. Rate I've converted into integer. Number of years I've converted into integer. Now here there is a calculation. Simple interest is principal amount into rate of interest into number of years divided by 100. And after that I am printing all the different values. Now I'll press F5. The moment I press F5, it is asking principal amount. Let's say my principal amount is 1000 rupees. The rate of interest is 10% and I need it for 2 years. So the answer is 200 because 10% of 1000 is 100 rupees per year and for 2 years it is 200. So you can see it is 200. So I hope you understood how to use this shell and how to use the editor. Fine, take care, have a nice time, enjoy your day.